How to check Wendy's nutrition facts for any menu item. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open wendy.com. Here, click on View Our Menu at the top. After you click on View Our Menu at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here, you'll find all the menus available. Select the item you want to see nutrition facts of. After you've selected, you'll find different variations again. Select the variation you want, and then if you scroll down, you'll find nutrition. And here you'll find all the nutrition facts for this product. You can scroll through it and see it. This is how to check Wendy's nutrition facts for any menu item. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.